everyone, happy Monday afternoon. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling a little snacky this afternoon. So I thought we would do a quick little snack session here, and going to be featuring a yogurt parfait this afternoon. So what you're going to be needing is your favorite low-carb Greek yogurt. So I'm using the Too Good yogurt, the vanilla flavor, but you can also use the Dan & Leighton Fit Greek vanilla yogurt or the 000 Oikos vanilla yogurt. They're all under 2 teaspoons of sugar, and they average anywhere between 12 to 15 grams of protein for any of those types of yogurts. Now, you don't have to stay with vanilla. You can pick whatever favorite yogurt you have, but making sure that it's going to be one of those 3 brands, because those are the lowest in carbs overall. So we're going to use our Too Good vanilla yogurt, and then we're going to use some of our granola that we have at StrongPour, and this happens to be the Purely Elizabeth granola. This is the cinnamon peanut butter flavor. Super good, made of organic pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, coconut sugar, coconut flakes, peanut butter, nuts, almond meal, so all the good stuff for us. So we're going to use this, but I am also going to post a picture of a recipe for a low-carb granola that you can make at home if you're not able to find the granola that we have on hand with this. But again, you can always order from StrongPour for curbside pickup or for mail out of any of our groceries that we have. And then to top it off, we'll just be using a little bit of spray whipping cream, which who knew, no carbs, but makes everything taste so much better. So here we go. The serving size of our yogurt is 3/4 of a cup. So I'm actually going to start out with our 3/4 of a cup and then split up the yogurt in half in our glass cup here. So there we go. We've got about 3/4 of a cup of the yogurt. And we're going to put a little bit in the bottom of our pretty glass here. You can, of course, not make it as fancy or as fancy as you would like. I just thought I'd pull out this nice glass to give you an idea of what this will look like. And then we're going to pour our 1/3 of a cup of granola. That's a serving size of this particular granola. We'll pour almost all of it into the bottom of our topping here, and then we'll use a little bit for our topping on the top after we're all done. And then we're going to put the rest of our yogurt, it's kind of messy, on the top. Smooth that around. Very good. And then we're going to top it off with a little bit of spray whipping cream to make it really fun. And 2 tablespoons is a serving size of the spray whipped cream. But you know, when things are little to no carb and it's not going to hurt anything and it makes it taste that much better, why not a little extra for a little fun, right? And then we'll just finish it off with the little pieces that we saved just to kind of give it a more pretty effect. And there you go. You've got a vanilla yogurt parfait using our Purely Elizabeth granola, or you can use the recipe that I am going to post with this today. Hope you enjoy it. The nutrition information is 275 calories for this parfait, 12 grams of net carb, or roughly 2.4 teaspoons of sugar, and 18 grams of protein. So you're getting very minimal carbs, but you're getting a whole lot of protein and some help with your calories for the day. Gonna keep you full, satisfied, and give you that sweet treat all at the same time. Hope you have a good rest of your afternoon. We'll see you later. Have a good one. His favorite thing is whipped cream, by the way. So as soon as he heard the whipped cream can, he came right on over. Max, say goodbye. Say goodbye. He's ignoring us. You guys have a great afternoon.